queen. I'm the alpha, the omega, everything in between. Oh, ride with Minaj, mashallah. Check in with me, then do your job. Queen is the name.
What's up, dolls, and welcome back to my channel. And today I'll be doing my bun, pretty much how I get my slick back bun. And this will be like an updated routine, because the last time I did a bun, my hair was shorter, so it took way more to do my slick back bun. I actually had someone comment, like they commented on that video and was just like, you making a slick back bun look so, you know, like it's too many steps, like you're doing too much to get a bun. I'm just like, my hair is short and I have a lot of shrinkage. So this is a slick back bun on like stretched out hair and also old dirty hair. I just don't feel like washing my hair yet, and I also didn't feel like doing no like swoops or baby hairs. It's literally slick back, that's it. And then just my hair, like I said, because this I sprayed it with water so it shrunk up. But if you would like to see the old way I did it, just for I guess kicks and giggles, however that saying goes, I'll link it in the description box and up in the cards. But if you would like to see how I do it now, which is a lot easier, then just keep watching.
Okay, you guys, so I'm starting off with dirty hair. I literally just took cornrows out from under my wig, and the things that you would need is something to part your hair with. I'm using this because I couldn't find my comb, some water, just regular water to spray your hair and get it a little damp, some gel, whatever gel of your choice. I'm using the Eco black castor oil, and I forgot what else it's called. And then I'm using the Gots to Be clear gel and a brush for the make it sit down some more, and another big brush for all my hair. To cooperate with me this day for baby hair, so it did not work, but I did try to do it with the Gots to Be glue. I got one side to kind of listen, but then I got tired of the other side, now I want to cooperate, so I just ended up brushing everything